What is going on, you guys? So today is actually a pretty good day outside, so I'm gonna be helping my friend out with his headlights. It's kind of yellowed out, so I'm gonna have some pictures up here to kind of show you guys how it looks like and how it's gonna look like afterwards. With that being said, we're gonna go ahead and head out to Walmart to get some supplies, and I'll take you guys along the way. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. You should probably move your car right here. What is it?
Yeah, we fixing cars.
So we're gonna run to Walmart right now and hopefully find some sandpaper for that. So.
Yeah, scrub a dub dub.
Oh, my hair. Alright, so we gotta find some sandpaper. I know the other Walmart had it. Yeah, the safer Walmart. So
we're out here risking our lives to get sandpaper.
It's kind of awkward holding a camera. I really hope this is it. We gotta get some masking tape, so we're gonna head that way.
Lawn chairs for only $5? Lord.
That's true.
I'd rather invest in a chair.
That's what you say. Are we looking for masking tape? No! What is going on, you guys? So we have a few things right here we're going to be using to clean up the headlights. Walmart didn't really have exactly what I needed. I got the best thing that they had, 400 grit and 1500 grit for descending. Got some plastic tarp and some clear coat and masking tape. So in a bit, we're gonna go ahead and tape up the car real quick, and hopefully that works out pretty well. If you do plan on doing this, I do recommend you guys watching a different video. This one is not gonna be a tutorial. It's literally just going to be me vlogging about doing this kind of stuff. Do you know what you're doing?
Yeah.
He doesn't know what he's doing. Alright, you guys, so we're out here again. So we're gonna be taking care of Justin's car. As you guys can kind of see, it's really faded out, so we're gonna try to get this bad boy better. So we're gonna try that. Justin, does your car have a name?
Yolanda?
This is Yolanda. Gotta go get some scissors. Gotta get a new camera. Just finished up taping up Yolanda.
My bad boy.
What we're gonna do next is we're just gonna go ahead and sand it down. That is looking so good. We haven't even applied the clear coat, but that side, very good. You're welcome, Yolanda. We just have to sand the other side now with 1500 grit. Then we're gonna move on to clear coating. Still kind of yellow. It's unfortunate, but we'll see how that goes. Look at that. Welcome, Yolanda. Brand new car, when'd you get it?
Hey,
When'd you get Yolanda? Hey, what is going on, you guys? So I just wanted to update you guys on how it's looking. So it's been about 2 days since we did the headlights, so as you guys can kind of see, it's a lot better than before. So I'm pretty satisfied. It makes the car look a lot better, as you guys can kind of see. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. It's again. Currently, I'm editing the video that you're watching right now. Unfortunately, I realized that a lot of the volume got messed up, so I'm planning to end the video like this. And I just wanted to have some real talk with you guys, especially when it comes to like safety. So the reason why I did this was because my friend's headlights were really bad, and in terms of safety, I just wanted him to be safe. If you have friends or family with headlights like this, where it's really yellow, you can't really even use the headlights during the nighttime. I really recommend you spending 20 bucks and an hour of your time to do this kind of stuff. Not only does it make the car look better, but it also makes it much safer for the driver. And when it comes down to it, family is very important. If you do have a friend or family with this kind of problem, definitely try to fix it. This way you don't even have to spend over 300 bucks. And with that being said, if you guys like this video, please subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, definitely leave it in the comments below. I look forward to growing as a person and also as a YouTube channel. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
Scrub a dub dub.